Namaste, friends and folks. Make sure you have a block with you and a bottle of water. This is our fire starter. Start in a kneeling position. Bring both hands to your heart, one stacked on top of the other. Start to tune yourself into your body by noticing your heartbeat beneath your hands and starting to deepen your breath in and out through the nose. Since we're trying to build heat here, we're not breathing out through the mouth. Perhaps constricting the back of the throat slightly for a little ujjayi to build a little bit more heat. Inhale, bring your arms up and overhead and look up. Exhale, palms through heart center. Inhale, arms up and look up. Exhale, hands through center. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Bring your arms out like a W, elbows bent, and start to pulse your arms forward and back. Forward and back. So you're squeezing and pulsing your shoulder blades together. I know it looks like I'm bringing my arms out side to side, but they're going forward and back. Just starting to build some heat through the scapula, the rhomboids, the back body. Starting to strengthen the core as you draw the ribs in towards your spine. Make sure they're not flaring outwards. Relaxing the neck. As you can see, I keep kind of looking down a little bit, reminding my neck to stay soft. Drawing the shoulders away from the ears. Good. Bring your left hand to your heart. Continue with just the right arm. And switch right hand to your heart, left arm out to the side. Good. Both arms back out. Reach the arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Pull everything down through center. Go ahead and come up to stand. Feet hip width distance. We're just going to shake it out a little bit. Start to pulse the heels up and down. And let the arms feel like noodles. Feel the elbows bend. Feel the shoulders dropping. Roll the neck around. Move a little side to side. Make sure you have some good music on. Good. Just letting everything go here. Letting the eyes close. Let those arms and shoulders be super heavy. Let the head hang. Just shake it out. Bringing warmth to the full body. A little bit of smile to the lips. Just some free movement. Shaking out anything that may have came up during that opening heart sequence. Good. Keep lifting those heels up and down, getting warm through the back of the legs. Find stillness with your feet hip width distance apart. Squat like a chair. Inhale, press up. Exhale, chair, arms back. Inhale to stand. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Good. Just like a billow. Big, powerful breaths in to stand. Exhales to sweep all that energy down to the floor and let it go. Breathe in and out. In and out. A few more. Squatting nice and low. And step your feet wide, arms out to a T. Squat low, inhale, press up and down. Up and down. Good. Little grand pliés here. Or wide leg squats, bringing the arms out and together as you squat. Trying your best to keep your chest tall, pressing your weight down into your heels and your big toe mounds, pressing your knees wide as you squat down. Good. We're incorporating the full body in pretty much everything we're doing here. So arms are strong, moving side to side and sweeping together as you squat. Remembering you can always go as fast or as slow as you need. You don't need to go at the same pace I'm going. Good. Step to the top of your mat. Feet together, arms up, inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank. Lower down, chaturanga, exhale. Good. Bring your forehead down to the mat and interlace your fingers behind the back of your skull. Engage your legs and glutes. Lift your elbows up to the ceiling. Take an inhale, lift your chest and right leg, lower. Inhale, chest and left leg, lower. Inhale, right, exhale. Inhale, left, exhale. Inhale, right, lower. Inhale, left, lower. Good. Right, left. Inhale, right, exhale. Inhale, left, exhale. Inhale, right, exhale. Inhale, left, exhale. Right, exhale, left. Last ones, right, left. Good. Release. Press your hands back, pull your hips back, come into downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, step it between your hands and twist to the right. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, step forward and twist. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, twist. Very nice. Just like this, find a pace that works for you. I would much rather you be slow and methodical and make sure that your hips are staying super square when you lift that leg up. Making sure that you're not straining your back as you pull that leg forward. And having a nice feel-good twist. Just a few seconds more. Let's go 3, 2, and last one. Three-legged dog, right leg lowers down. Straight to the other side. Inhale, left leg, step it forward and twist. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. Same as before. Slow down if you need to, but keep a rhythm. Try not to make your pace uneven or erratic. Stay going at the same pace. Feel that left glute burn as you lift that left leg up nice and strong, keeping those hips level. Let's do 3 more. Step it forward and back, forward and back. Do 1 more. Three-legged dog, and then lower it down. Good. Take a breath. Look forward between your hands. Exhale, step, walk, or hop forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, stretch it out. Good. Inhale, step the hands back to plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's do that again. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, pounce. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, heels. Exhale, jump. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. A little faster. Heels up. Exhale, jump. Inhale, lift. Exhale, plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, heels. Exhale, pounce. Inhale, flat spine. Exhale, plank. Inhale. Down dog, exhale. Inhale, heels. Exhale, jump. Inhale. Exhale, plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Last one, jump forward. Halfway lifts and folds. Inhale, sweep the arms up to the ceiling. Exhale, hands through prayer. Step your feet wide, heels in, toes out, malasana. Hands to prayer, inhale. Exhale, come down through center and sit in your squat. Here you're welcome to rest and enjoy a nice hip opener. Otherwise, you can join me in crow. Bringing your feet together, lifting your heels, bringing your knees as high onto your outer arms as possible. Floating up into your crow. Remembering to round the spine, push strongly through the palms, imagining that you're doing cat pose. Go ahead and lower down, come to your squat if you're in crow, and then come on down to your tailbone. Coming into Navasana, boat pose, straighten both legs, balancing on the tailbone, lift the chest. Reach the arms forward. Hollow out the belly, draw your navel to your spine, draw your ribs back to your spine, and pet your dog. Good. Slowly lower down to the mat on a breath in. Moving on to some core work, we're going to do alternate leg presses. So you can bring your right leg up and extend your left leg long. Bring your hands around your right leg and lift your chest. And switch. And switch. And switch. Good. So you're using your leg as a little bit of resistance so you can pull your chest up. Imagine you're trying to bring your forehead to your knees, keeping your shoulders lifted the entire time. Good. Little exhales as you pull yourself up. Good. You're using the strength of your leg to keep it steady as you lift your chest up. Using those obliques and those transverse abdominals. Getting some of that deep core. Drawing your navel down, low back is flat. Good. Release down, relax. Draw the knees into the chest. Bring your feet together, knees wide, and your hands in between your legs like you're giving the ceiling a high five. Curl your shoulders off the mat and pulse up and down. Again, like you're trying to give someone really tiny, quick high fives. Breaths out the mouth. 3, 2, and 1. Release, relax. Grab your block and bring it on the narrow setting in between your inner thighs, bringing your feet right below your knees. Palms down on your mat, lifting the chest, but not too much. Notice how my mid-back is still on the mat. And we're just going to pulse up and down. Hover and lift. Down and up. Lower and lift. Hover and up. Just like this. Again, find a rhythm that works for you. I would much rather you go slow here and really focus on squeezing the glutes together, pushing down through the heels and anchoring through the big toes. Just a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Hold at the top and just pulse up and down. Pulse, 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 pulse. Really tiny and really small, just focusing on squeezing the glutes together and pushing down through the big toe mounds. Good. Draw the navel in, keep your low back rounding down towards the mat, using your core for support. From here, lift your heels, and we're going to pulse them up and down. Lift and hover. Up, down. Just the heels. Lift and down. Lift and lower. Hips are still high. See if you can isolate the heels so that the hips aren't really moving too much. It's mostly coming from the low leg. Few more. Up, hover, lift, lower, lift, lower, lift, hold. Hips up and down. Up, hover. Heels are lifted. Just moving the hips now. Good. Lift, hover, lift, and lower. Up, down, up, down. Keep going. Just like this. Finding that rhythm that works for you. Anchoring through those big toes. Remembering if you're feeling any tension in the back, keep drawing the navel down. Just a few more seconds. Lower and lift, down, up. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and lower. Bring everything down. Give yourself a hug. Stretch out your back body. Rock a little side to side. Let's stretch it out. Come onto your back. Bring your arms to a cactus. Guide your hips to the left and let your knees fall to the right for a short and gentle twist. Bringing your gaze over to the left. Take a deep breath in. And breath out. Inhale, knees to center, switch sides. Gaze over to the right as your knees are to the left. Big breath in. Breath out. Sit up, grab your block. Bring it on the low or medium setting to the mid-back for supported fish pose. Bring your arms to a wide cactus position. Ensure your hips are grounded on your mat and your head is supported by the mat or a pillow. You're welcome to stay here as long as you need. If you are heading straight into another practice, I wouldn't stay here more than a minute or two. Don't get too cold. Otherwise, remain in supported fish for as long as 5 minutes. Together, let's take one final breath in. Breath out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.